if you're trying to ramp up on a team and you want to write effective code, one of the best ways to do that is to spend a day or two initially learning from other people's code reviews. And so this number one, it tells you again, like where are the hot spots? Like where's the delta? Where are the changes happening in the code? That's probably where you're going to end up making changes too, right? So it'll help speed you up there. Also, when you look at how they wrote their test plan, what context they added, that will help you anticipate issues with your code and front load solutions. And so one tactic I can share concretely here is when I write a change, I will actually reference the diff from like a month or 2 months ago and say, hey, here's the change I'm making. Here's a change which is somewhat similar to what I'm doing here from 2 months ago by the tech lead. And here's why I didn't do it that way. So that way, like, I'm basically anticipating, hey, like someone's going to bring the question to me, like, you're basically doing something very similar here. Why not just copy that? And I'm already anticipating that and putting it there. So like in number one, we'll speed up that back and forth. And number two, it just shows, again, that idea of trust. I've put in the legwork to make this process go faster. I'm saving you the back and forth of having to question me. I'm putting all the context right there. And so I think this is a really effective way to speed things up. The other thing, this is a really good habit to get into, proactively leave comments on your own code change. And the idea here is that you make a change and you might be unsure on something. So rather than waiting for the code reviewer to call that out, you can proactively solicit that feedback by commenting on your own code change and say, hey, like, hey, I would love any feedback on naming here. Or, hey, I noticed there was another way of doing it. I'm not really sure the pros and cons, would love your feedback. Here's why I did it this way. Like that kind of thing. It basically tells people, here are the hot spots I want you to look at. And it builds that trust because you're advocating for, like, I want to reach the best solution and I want your input. And I think code review, oftentimes it does become this thing of like, I want to feel heard. Like as a code reviewer, nothing feels worse compared to like, I left 3 or 4 recommendations on your diff and you ignored all them and you still went ahead and landed them because someone else gave you a green check mark. That just feels so bad, right? You being receptive and open to that feedback, I think goes a long way in earning that trust.